Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got when Sephora had their VIB sale. So this is the first time I've seen this where the Sephora collection was all 30% off, meaning anything that you buy from Sephora, skincare or makeup was 30% off. I think that's amazing. I think it's a good way for people to start using more of the Sephora collection. I think a lot of people sleep on the Sephora collection, but this stuff is actually really amazing, very pigmented, very good quality. So I'm happy they did this because I got to pick out some things that I normally wouldn't have got to try because I'm just like, I'll just get like a name brand thing. But 30% off, you're kind of like, why not? So super excited to show you guys what I got. If you guys want to see what I got in this haul, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, from makeup subscription unboxings to makeup mystery unboxings to advent calendars and makeup hauls. If you like beauty content related things, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Today I did a haul. I mean, I've had this haul for a while because I always have so much things to unbox on my channel. So I'm finally like, let me show everybody what I got from the Sephora VIP sale. So let's just dig in. So if you're not new to my channel and you know you're a subscriber, then you know I love brushes. So I thought these brushes were a good deal already to begin with. Like this brush set retails for $35. And this retails for $45. And then you get 30% off. Like, that's like a steal. Like, a steal. So I was like, it was like a no-brainer. These will be great for like Christmas gifts or holiday gifts. Like, just to get $35 and then 30% off, $45 and 30%. Like, that would be an amazing gift. Any of the sets will be amazing gifts just because you're going to get it. They're always a great value, but then to get 30% off on top of that, amazing. Amazing. So I love their wipes. I love their mattifying hemp wipes. It's just my skin's very oily and it just so happens that the hemp wipes are the mattifying ones. But I love these because my skin is so oily, and sometimes when I use wipes, I feel like they make my skin feel greasy, but these are definitely very mattifying. So these are something that I always buy and replenish, which is why I bought 2 of them. This is what they look like. So I have my backup. Then I recently, if you've been watching my Sephora hauls, if you're subscribed to my channel, you'll see that I bought the Sephora Powder. This is a matte perfection powder. My color is called Warm Amber, but no, it's Warm Toffee, but I bought a lighter shade, Warm Amber, too. Let me open this up, hold on. I also want to try the Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder in Almond. This is what the color looks like. I've heard good things about this powder as well, so I'm like, it looks light. My powders always look light, but when I put them on, they oxidize right into my skin. This is my Studio Fix powder that I use every day, and it looks light, but when you put it on, it oxidizes into my skin. But yeah, I'm excited to try that out. So now I have some backup powders. You never have too much powder. The next thing I bought is a brush, another brush, of course. This is like a angle brush. I love trying like different angle brushes just to get, because I'm big on brows and I use like angle brushes for under my brow. So I'm always trying to find like my perfect angle brow brush. So far that would be the Anastasia brush that they sell. That's like my favorite one I like to use as of right now. But you never know, I may find another one because I'm always buying brushes. This is what the brush looks like. It's very like fine. So I think I would like this brush. It looks like it's like a taupey, no, not like a cream color brush. So very excited to try this out. The next thing I got, it was a trio palette. I opened it up to make sure it wasn't broken, but it's like a trio palette. I thought the colors were nice for my skin tone. I love like corally colors. So I got like a coral, a goldish color, and like a peachy color. These are colors that I normally wear like every day, like nice neutrals. So we'll see. It's called Dare. Then I bought this. It's like a matte waterproof like crayon. I bought it in black because when when I'm lazy, to other people doing like an all black smoky eye is like a production, but for me, I perfected doing a black smoky eye. Like I draw it on, I blend it out. Like I do it so fast. Like that for me is like an easy look, like a 1, 2, 3. So I bought a black matte one just to have. So because I've had one from like, what is it called, from NYX, but I feel like that one's too creamy. This one is matte, so I'm happy to try like a matte one. And then I love, if you watch one of my last Sephora hauls, I bought a whole bunch of these pencils. I love them. They're creamy. They go on nice. So I bought like a beige color to do with my waterline. Sometimes it makes your eyes look more open. For my skin tone, I think white sometimes looks too harsh. So like the cream color looks a little bit more gentle under the eye. So I bought this color to wear under the eye. And that was it. That was it. Oh, I didn't get too much stuff because obviously if you look at my videos, I did a Sephora haul like literally like a week ago. And in a week before that, I did another Sephora haul. So there wasn't much for me to buy because I literally bought so much stuff. Like I spent $400 one day, $500 this day. It's just like, so there was really nothing for me to buy. What did you guys buy? Like I said, I bought all my other stuff full price, which kind of stinks, but it's okay. But at least I was able to get some of the Sephora stuff 30% off. But comment down below if you guys got anything from the Sephora collection. What's good from the Sephora collection that you guys use, that you suggest that I should maybe try? Let me know in the comments down below. And that's it for my video. Short and sweet, just like me. Joking, but I am short and I am sweet, so maybe I'm not joking. But nevertheless, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.